All right, let me go for it. Oh, that split screen is hard for me to see. All right. All right, just got back from town. Perfect opportunity to do an everyday carry video. Let me try and do some serious good instruction for you. Just like all the good instructors here on YouTube would do. I'll do my best, all right? See what we did. Let's holster that revolver. Oh yeah, lots of hits right there. Guess I am hitting it. I want that top. No, I am reset. Let me reload here. Go for cover. Get that speed loader in there. With the 22, it's virtually impossible. We'll make it work anyway. Get them in there. And we'll holster. And we're ready to go again. Okay. Got him. What did I do here? I'm pretty happy with that hit. Can't see what I did. Did I take that cap right off of that son of a gun? I guess I did. Yeah. Well, that ain't bad. Okay. Let's reset and try another one.
And just let
like the energy flow.
Energy around you guide you. And eventually it'll all start to click and flow.
There we go. All right. Might as well have a little fun while we will try and take this seriously too. Shout out to Undergun Productions with the music. Well. GI Tanto. GI Tanto. I did get a hit with my left arm. True Flight took that son of a gun very nicely. Oh, what did we do here? We got that. We got that son of a gun. Finally, I got that plastic cap like I wanted to. There we go. All right. I think that'll do for this video. Finally got some hits that I wanted to show you there. I am Dead Wolf. We'll have this kind of fun on the next one. Probably Ruger target pistol that I got sitting out here. We'll do some magazine reloads. I'll try to do credible work like Masa Yub. And do some quality instruction for y'all. All right, thanks for being there, cousins and friends. Shout out to That Ain't Bad. Check out his channel. Just type in That Ain't Bad. No, I can't do it in the same style that he does, but you're welcome. That ain't bad. Thanks for being there, everyone. This kind of fun on the next one, you know it.